this here is a shoulder press machine. To clean it, you start with the pad. All right, that's the easy part.
Ma'am, what is that orange part on the machine?
This is the lever to adjust the seat, depending on your height. Okay?
Okay.
So, you want to make sure you clean where the arms go. There's two separate positions for the shoulder press. You can hold here, or you can hold here. So make sure you clean them both.
Okay.
Always clean the top here, because that can get dusty. As well as the other side. And these things, the back here. And you kind of have to maneuver around to get this part. And then all inside here. Can't be afraid to get down to the ground and get all the parts of this machine. And through here. Get the black parts. Alright, so that's the shoulder press machine. You also want to make sure that you dust this. Because this can show dust. Come closer. You want to get in the cup holder. Alright.
What is that black pad for? Do you know?
I don't know, do you know?
It's for cell phones, I believe. I believe you put your cell phone on that. It's a nice flat surface for you to put your cell phone down
Okay.
on.
Alright.
I think so. Don't quote me on that, but I'm
Well, maybe.
95% sure.
That's pretty good.
Alright.
And this machine also counts the reps, the repetitions. I don't know if
Does
you
it
knew
really?
that.
Whoa, let's bring this over here.
It does. So when you sit on it,
Okay. Go. Oh, whoa, I fell. Whoa, we're getting a demonstration today from our very own Christina Pettit. Okay, here we go.
look here, because this
All
is
right.
what's important.
We're gonna focus right here.
So you press it up, and it starts it for you. 1, 2. Okay? It also has the time. You can hold either positions. Now you know.
Got a demonstration. Thank you, thank you.
And also make sure you clean this too, because that can get dusty as well. And also, people don't normally see it, but it's probably good to get the backside as well. Because we are trying to be a
Forbes
5-star
5-star fitness center.
fitness center.
Yes, ma'am. Always get the backside.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's it.
Okay.